Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the AJAZZ AK980. This is a blue wireless mechanical keyboard. Pretty excited to review this one. I'm going to be doing a sound test on it, a full unboxing, and then we're going to just take a general look at the build quality. This is a very nice sounding keyboard, has nice cherry profile caps, and a pretty cool color scheme on it. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so like I mentioned, this is the AJAZZ keyboard. So let's go ahead and unbox this here. And first off, I actually really like the color scheme here with the two-tone blue and the arrows actually matching the other tone of blue. That looks really nice, has a nice kind of watery type vibe to it. Give it a quick flex check. About the same as most plastic keyboards, got a decent amount of flex in it, but it is a 100% layout. So we'll get into the typing test here soon, the sound test. Let's see what we're working with in terms of switches. So you have your Mac, Windows mode, and then either 2.4G dongle or Bluetooth or wired. So always nice to see that. Where is the dongle kept at on this thing? I'm not seeing it right off the back. Is it in the bag? I'll have to do some digging for that. But let's get into the sound test, guys. The dongle is right here, so that is actually a pretty nice hidden spot for it. It's not like messing up one of your sides. Before we get into the sound test, we have just your standard USB-C charging cable for this thing. It is not braided or anything, just a rubber cable. Nothing too crazy there. And then we have a keycap puller and a switch puller, and then a little RGB instruction booklet from AJAZZ. So let's get into the sound test. All right, so first impressions of that sound, nothing absolutely too crazy, but it does sound very good, and I'm pretty picky about how my spacebars sound, and that does not sound bad by any means. I'm not hearing any unnecessary clanks or anything. Now, I will say the switches on this feel very light and very good. I'm honestly might do a typing test with this because I think I might be able to beat my record with this keyboard. My hands are just kind of flying around on this thing. Very little pressure needed to hit the keys, which is always a bonus if you're going to be doing a lot of typing. So pretty nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and then we can see what the RGB looks like here. So this is cool, a little accent right here, which kind of mimics the RGB wave of the keyboard. The camera is making it kind of look like it's blinking, but that is not happening in real life. We're just getting a nice RGB wave across the board. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. The sound could be slightly better, but it is by no means bad, which is pretty good for one of these little Amazon boards. So check it out, guys. I will have links down below, and all my keyboard reviews you can find up in my playlist up here. I review a ton of Amazon keyboards. Thanks for watching.